In this episode of Tech Under 1,000 Pesos, we are going to find out if the Redragon S101 Keyboard and Mouse combo is really a great bargain for gamers out there.
We Synth.
This is the Redragon S101 Keyboard and Mouse combo. Inside the package, we have the mouse, the keyboard, and the quick start guide. Proceeding on to the build quality and design, there is something that is a little bit of a mixed bag. Both of these peripherals uses a rough plastic feel, still made out of plastic, but on the keyboard, you have a glossy plastic finish that is really okay, but can easily have some fingerprint smudges, whereas on the mouse, rough plastic, and that is no problem at all. So you have two-sided buttons on the mouse, left and right click, dedicated scroll wheel, DPI switch, and a weight system underneath, with a braided cable, which is going to be a durable mouse. However, it is not wireless, same as true as the keyboard, and doesn't have any kind of cable braiding, but with the multimedia keys that are a total of 20, switchable backlight color, which is RGB lighting on all keys, 104 with 25 key rollover, 5 macro keys, Windows key lock, laser engraved neverwear keycaps that feels like a gaming laptop keyboard, where the mouse has 3200 dpi, 10 grams of actuation force, durable smooth Teflon foot pads, 5 programmable buttons, 8 turning weights that you can adjust for better precision, and of course, you have a 10 million click durability. Proceeding on to ergonomics, the keyboard and the mouse combo is sitting well comfortably, whereas on the keyboard you have an elevation kickstand that you can actually adjust to be more comfortable. As for the mouse, left and right-handed users will feel comfortable when using this mouse. However, the two-sided buttons if you are a left-handed user might not actually accommodate, since we're just going to talk about gaming. So on to performance then. The performance on the S101 keyboard and mouse combo really sits well, especially when it comes to its membrane key switches. If you want to play some FPS games, well, there you go. It's really a well comfortable type of gaming peripheral that you can get for just under 1,000 pesos. So, you can get this one for around 950 pesos, but there are some minor ups and downs. Yes, the upside though is that you have an RGB backlight, keyboard and mouse performance, and the performance of the mouse also, thanks to its better precision, the weight system is more comfortable and also the most convenient solution so far, but their mileage may vary. Of course, there's no cable braiding on the keyboard, not wireless, and let's not forget to mention, it is still a membrane keyboard that is still not mechanical. But let me know down in the comments below. So leave a like, share it to your friends, sub and hit the bell notification, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.